Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn essay on Ram Manohar Lohia in English. So without get any further, let's get start. Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia was born on March 23, 1910 in a village named Akbarpur in the district of Ambedkar Nagar, Uttar Pradesh, India. His father Hiralal was a nationalist by spirit and a teacher by profession. His mother Chanda died when Ram Manohar was very young. Ram Manohar Lohia was a freedom fighter and respected politician. He always imitated the truth and did amazing work in the freedom struggle. Some of his works include Gandhi and Socialism, Guilty Man of India's Partition, etc. In the year 1921, he met Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru for the first time and continued to work under his supervision for a few years. He was one of the most original thinker, patriot, freedom fighter, socialist and economist. After passing his matriculation examination in first class, he enrolled in intermediate at Banaras Hindu University. He then completed his undergraduate studies from the University of Calcutta in the year 1929. Ram Manohar Lohia done his PhD in 1932 on the topic Economic of Salt Satyagraha. So he had developed a new philosophy due to his great understanding of socio-economic problems of India. Lohia studied at Berlin University in Germany. During this time, he organized the Association of European Indians that would raise voice against British oppression in India. He was jailed for writing an article Satyagraha Now in Gandhi's newspaper Harijan. Lohia always preferred Hindi over English as the official language of India. He believed that English creates distance between educated and uneducated people. He used to say that the use of Hindi will boost the feeling of unity and ideas related to the creation of a new nation. After independence, Lohia founded an organization called Hind Kisan Panchayat to help farmers with agricultural solutions. In Europe, he organized Association of European Indians. He was elected the Secretary of All India Congress Committee 1936. He was arrested on 7th June 1940 and sentenced to 2 years imprisonment for writing an article Satyagraha Now in Gandhiji's newspaper Harijan. He published and circulated posters and pamphlets on Do or Die during the Quit India Movement 1942. This great leader died on 12th October 1967. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe.